Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I ordered laptop. This is renewed laptop, Dell Latitude E5470 14 inches laptop, Intel Core 1.5/6200U, 16 GB SDDR4, 512 GB storage, SSD, HDMI, webcam, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, fingerprint, backlit, Windows 10. So I ordered this laptop from amazon.co.uk. Brand is Dell, model Latitude, screen size 14.1 inches, RAM 16 GB RAM, operating window Windows 10 Pro. Special features: this laptop got fingerprint reader, anti-glare screen, graphic card Intel HD graphic 520. So this laptop will help in terms of your productivity, increase your work output. I needed a laptop to to do some work. I thought to order this online, so I needed a laptop to use for my work. This one is with operating window genuine Windows 10 Professional, 64-bit pre-installed, 6th generation Intel Core, webcam, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, fingerprint reader, smart card reader, and palm rest. So this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this laptop, check it out, and see what is inside. So this is the charger included in the packaging. So you take this part of the charger and connect it to this. This is where it goes. Push it in. So the charger is included. I like the way they wrap this with bubble wrap. Well wrapped. This is what we have here. Dell, very light. I'm happy with this. Very light. I like the back of it, black. See what it looks like. Dell Latitude. You can see the ports here. This is SD card, HDMI card, headset, and you have also card here as well. This is HDMI card. So various ports. This goes in here to switch, plug it in, then going to connect it to the power socket. And there's a light here, so the light is on. Then switch this on here, and the light is showing. You can see this is really good one. I like the keyboard is lit up, which is great, and it's getting ready. So this is what we have here. User welcome. And it's very responsive. Brilliant. So this is what we have here. Oh. And yeah, you can see. So it's very responsive. So it's working. You can see the mouse with my finger. It's responding. And yeah. Very much happy with it. You have Microsoft Edge, photo, email, LinkedIn, Microsoft Store, calculator, Microsoft to-do list, film and TV, Microsoft and collection, play. So this is the unboxing, and I'm very much happy. And you can see what this laptop looked like. If you go to the settings, you go to the settings, and this is the settings here. You go to the storage, go to the system. It will show you the display, sound, notification and action, focus assistance, power and sleep, battery, storage, and you can see the storage here is currently 465 GB. Then if you add it with already in use 38.8, so it's around 512 indeed storage space. Yeah, this is what we have here. So I'm very much happy with this laptop, and this is the unboxing, and you just need to set it up and you are ready to go. So this is what we have here. Happy with it. It deserves your attention. Thank you.